All right, love. You bought a, what'd you buy?
It's a paper towel holder off of Amazon.
Vehhe. How do you even say that? Vehhe. I don't know. Vehhe.
Oh, it's...
I usually use a step ladder. Anyway, would you like a roll of paper towels?
At some point, we're going to make that shelf a little bit better.
That'd probably be a good idea.
That is no longer a...
We'll get those in a minute, love.
Anyways.
Anyway, paper towel holder for the laundry room.
It
Okay.
goes clickety clickety so they won't just pull off. Okay.
Okay.
So we thought about doing this,
yeah,
but
no.
I don't.
No. That's not it.
We could come out along this edge. That would clear your faucet.
No, but then it's got my dryer and my no.
No?
Not it.
Okay. So then the next option that we talked about some was on this wall.
No, because I can't get the paper towels on it. It's got to be flipped. Got to flip the whole thing over. Yeah, thank you. Because I can't get it.
Okay. I see. For those that are as slow as I am,
yeah, it just doesn't.
that won't work.
And then this right here too.
Okay.
So it's got to be lower.
You don't want it that high.
And turned around.
Okay, so
I would like it that way. Yes.
All right.
And then you can put it in there.
So.
Oh, kind of in the middle, where it's easy access for whoever needs it. And I don't think you'll be using their little plastic things as wood.
The sheetrock anchor things?
No. I don't think they'll go in. Well, the whole idea was you come in, you got dirty hands, we use the sink, and then you need that to
get
something to dry.
So.
No, yeah, that log.
All right, do you want it back in here?
No. Well.
Tucked out of the way some?
Possibly, if it clears it, that might be okay. Yeah, that one makes sense to see where it fits with the full roll. Okay. Yeah, that might be good. Then you're still hanging over the sink when
you're dripping.
Right. I like that idea. Yeah, I think that's a good spot.
Okay. How far back was I? Like that?
Yeah, a little more forward. Well, yeah, about there. Just kind of in the center, but not.
Probably be easier if I could see what I was doing and had the proper angle. I think I'm doing these right. Let me trade you places.
Trade me places. Okay.
I'm getting a bad feeling.
Why?
About these screws.
We have more screws, don't we?
Yeah.
I'd say so.
Well, because I think we have little covers that are supposed to go over. Yes, they have little covers like that. But when you tighten the screw up,
It goes flying.
it goes right through the plastic.
Okay.
Yep. It's supposed to make it look better.
Well,
These fall off.
then
We will come back and put black screws in.
okay, because the whole point is it's covered up by paper towel anyway.
Well, there's that aspect of it as well.
Yeah, I need function more than spiffy little covers.
We will see how it works.
Well, it's functional.
And it's got, so it doesn't spin and just
Keep going.
keep going. It's got a little bit of
Okay.
friction to it. There were some complaints on the reviews that this ended up like that, which wouldn't have been a problem, but it seems to go on fine.
Okay.
I think that'll work good.
All right. Thanks for watching.